So I just want to do this quick video to tell you guys how I made this. I got the idea from Fabi's Nails. She's on Instagram. I follow her on Snapchat. This is, I was inspired by her when she used to have it like this. So basically I bought the frame at Hobby Lobby, or was it Michael's? I painted it, spray painted it matte black. Then I bought the magnets from Walmart. They ran about $5 to $6. And then I got these containers because I do have like bigger potted glitters and I put them in the smaller ones. And a pack of 24 costs around like $8 to $10. I thought that was really good. So basically what I did was get the frame. Then you have this metal sheet at Hobby Lobby and it was like around $7. Spray painted that. Glued it together with E6000 I believe and hot glue, and then I hot glued the magnets onto my glitters. Some of the hot glue left. I think I'm gonna take the hot glue off and just use E6000 just because it sticks better, because sometimes they fall off. Look at all this glue. And that's basically all I did. And then I got this little thing here from Target. It has a magnet in the back, so I put some of my brushes in there, and there goes my skull. Because yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys everything because it's not like a nail tour, but if you guys want to see my nail stuff and how I set it up and organize it, just let me know, leave a comment below, whatever. Yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, most of all these glitters are from RCM. She's on Instagram. Some of these are from the Nail Life. She's on Instagram. I have Young Nails. And then, yeah, that's about it. Alright, bye.